All right, I think they're finally here. So, all right. Oh my goodness. This is yours, and I'll cut up over here.
Oh, there we are. Look at that. Look at that.
There it is.
And it is nice shrink wrap.
Yes.
That's nice.
And so, there you go. You get to open.
Open the shrink wrap. Try to do it without touching the pages.
Watch your hand.
Oh, I'm watching it. Ah, now that looks nice.
Oh, smell. I'm speechless.
Yeah. It's actually looking wonderful.
Lots and lots of work, huh?
That is a lot of work.
I like the porcelain font.
Yes.
I think that looks pleasant to the eyes. I think it looks very clean.
It is also nice to have in the apparatus, we have all the accents and breathings.
Yes.
Just as we did back in the 2005, 2018.
That's right.
And we also have all these subheadings in there that were partially taken from Kretzmann and modified by you some places. But these are very helpful as well. And that is going back to what we actually had even back in the Reader's Edition.
Yes.
So,
and they also have been sort of updated in language, so it sounds more today than...
That's good, because Kretzmann wrote in the 1920s.
Right.
So. But it is looking good. The apparatus has the Nestle-Aland readings, both the NA-27, the NA-28, and also what is in the Editio Critica Maior, the ECM.
Right.
And they are designated from what would be the first reading at a split guiding line, or the second reading, or the third reading as necessary. And it also puts all of the Robinson-Pierpont marginal readings into the footnote rather than out on the margin, because that would have crowded the pages way too much.
Mention pages, the quality of the pages, really nice. Great job.
This is very good paper. This is not thin Bible paper, but it is actually library quality book paper.
Yeah.
So this is very nice. I am pleased to see it.
And the look as well.
Yes.
I think this look is beautiful.
And the cover is nice. It has the New Testament in the original Greek, Byzantine Textform 2026. And the color purple is the Byzantine purple.
That's right.
So there we are.
And even the chain, we put the Byzantine chain in there just to represent that unending link there. Beautiful. Love it.
Very good.
All right. Now it's you guys have to begin all the packaging and sending out. That's a lot of work.
That's the exciting part.
Are they working today?
Yes,
Are they doing that today?
they are working today.
What time are they gonna?
About 1:15.
Okay.
They'll start packaging.
Oh, you'll get to see them packaging all this.
Okay.
And we'll be signing these. You're ready to sign tons of.
Signing the pre-orders.
That's right.
Not signing every one that we printed, but the pre-orders.
That's right. Wonderful. So as you can see, the Byzantine Textform 2026 edition is now available, and it's one that is wonderful. I think so.
And this is an important edition because now for the first time in 20 years, you can get a genuine hardback Smyth-sewn version of the Greek New Testament according to the Byzantine text in very nice detail with the Greek text, English subheadings, footnotes showing the Nestle-Aland and ECM variants. And I think this will be a useful product for anybody who is studying Greek or using Greek for a scholarly purpose, comparing the critical text with the text that has been most transmitted throughout history.
And you can find more information on this at clearviewpress.com. You can purchase it there, and it'll also be soon available on Amazon.